Drive control malfunctions occur in the electronic systems that manage your vehicle's propulsion. These sophisticated systems have largely replaced mechanical linkages with electronic controls. Modern vehicles use drive-by-wire systems where electronic signals replace mechanical connections. The throttle pedal sends electronic signals to control modules, which then manage the actuator body and engine response. Four main electronic systems control vehicle propulsion. The electronic throttle control manages throttle response, the transmission control module handles gear shifting, the engine control unit serves as the main brain, and hybrid drive controllers manage electric motors in hybrid and electric vehicles. Drive control malfunctions have several common root causes. These range from sensor failures and electrical problems to mechanical wear and software issues. Sensor failures are among the most common causes. The mass airflow sensor can become contaminated, throttle position sensors degrade over time, and accelerator pedal position sensors can malfunction, all leading to incorrect readings and system errors. Electrical problems create communication breakdowns between components. Corroded wiring harnesses, loose connections in control modules, and ground circuit failures can all disrupt the precise electronic signals these systems require. Mechanical components still play crucial roles in electronic systems. Carbon buildup in throttle bodies can prevent proper operation, actuator motors can fail from wear, and transmission solenoids can degrade, affecting shift quality and timing. Software and communication problems are increasingly common in modern vehicles. Firmware corruption from incomplete updates, memory corruption in control modules, and failures in the CAN bus network can all trigger service-required errors. Modern diagnostic tools use artificial intelligence to predict failures before they occur, improving diagnostic accuracy from 78% to 94%. Over-the-air updates enable real-time monitoring, predictive failure detection, and remote software fixes without requiring a service visit. When any of these drive control systems malfunction, they typically trigger a service-required error message. Understanding these systems and their common failure modes is essential for proper diagnosis and repair.